Tools to grow your accounting business. One of the effective things that you can do with the contact information that you now have of business owners is effectively email marketing them content to actually help them see you as an expert. Now, there's a variety of marketing strategies that you can use effectively to, over time, help educate them as to you, your services, and how they can benefit. Email marketing can be an excellent way of educating your customers as to things that they need to be doing, basically tips and tricks for their own businesses, things that are insights to your business, and also free offers, things that are compelling that they'll want to act on, and in doing so, get put into a nurturing campaign of your own, offering them free white papers, free tickets to attend a workshop or a webinar. Maybe it's actually attending a workshop. All of these things are great that you can use as leverages in a marketing piece to help them see you as the solution. In fact, the premier accounting firm in their area. Click on the information below and learn more about how you can use effective email marketing campaigns to actually nurture and engage with your potential client list now and have them see you as the expert that they need to do the accounting for them. In doing so, you'll learn more about how effective email marketing can be compelling, it can actually be timely, and more importantly, effective. It's an inexpensive and yet effective way of getting the clients that you need as you're trying to grow your business. I invite you to learn more. Click on the information below and let us explore and understand better how technology can be used to save you time, save you money, and get you paid what you're worth.